Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a driver that is not digitally signed. Okay, so for my particular situation I have a really old scanner with a driver from 2007 that is not really working properly, and I have a newer driver from the Microtech manufacturer website that is from 2014 or 13, something like that, but Windows 10 does not allow me to install it because it is not digitally signed. Let me just try and show you what is happening when I try to install it. Okay, I browse the computer for software. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. I tried just running the driver setup as you would normally do. It did not do what it should, so it didn't actually install the driver. Okay, have disk, browse once again, and I know that this is the correct one that I actually want. Open. Okay, and this is the one right here. This is the version that we have installed now, and this is the new version, but as you can see it's not digitally signed. So simply click next, and as you can see here, Windows encountered a problem installing the drivers for this device, for your device. So yeah, okay, to get around this problem, it's not even telling you that it's about digitally signing the driver, but that is the real problem here. You need to click on the start button, click on power, and before clicking restart, hold shift button and only then click on restart. Because we are restarting, my really simple screen capture isn't working, obviously, so yeah, restart anyway. And now you go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. At this particular screen you simply press 7. So you need to disable driver signature enforcement, which is 7 again. And Windows will load normally with that driver signature enforcement disabled. So we are booted right back into Windows. Let's go to the same place, update driver, browse my computer for driver software. I didn't really show you, same driver 2007, the old one. Let me pick from the list, have this, browse once again. This is where I know I have my driver. This is my particular location. Yours will obviously differ, so be careful where you put your driver that you want to install. Okay, once again the one that is not digitally signed. Click on next, and now it's showing us that it has a problem with it. Install this driver software anyway. And it is installing the driver, has finished installing it, and if we look now, we have the new driver installed, and even the manufacturer changed, now it's including driver team. So this is how you install a driver that is not digitally signed. Remember, you must go to the start button, press the power button, and before pressing restart, press and hold the shift button and only then click restart while still holding shift, and then you can release it after you clicked. And that's about it, guys. So hopefully this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.